Ah, spa day. It's a beach day, not a spa day. Who cares? We do? I'm gonna go for a dip. Oh my gosh! The beach water has evaporated. It's so sad. Can't you just ask Mom to refill it? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll get a tan while she's refilling it. This is a loud noise. I know. Where is it refilling from? Oh, you know, the lake where we drink water from. What? I think that's enough refilling. No, probably not. This beach needs a lot of water. Oh, I love my eyes. Aren't you the lifeguard? Should you be watching us film? I guess. But I won't. What a rude lifeguard. I'll watch it film. Kanani, you want to watch? I'm getting my tan on. With the sun lotion. Lotioning. Wait, what? Oh, I can't remember what it's called, but isn't suntan lotion where you get a tan? What? No, 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 no. No! I don't want a tan. I have beautiful skin. Oh, it's not good, not good. Okay, I think the beach water's still up. Time for a dip. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, that's nice. I wish I could just swim. Okay. Oh, my feet are so shiny. Emily, you sure you don't want to go? Might as well. Ow, ow. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Not bad. Quite nice, actually. But aren't you worried it's gonna like remove the coloring from her feet? It's not, Emily. You worry too much. Where are the rest of our sisters? I think they're out watching a horror movie. Ooh, they're gonna get so grounded. We already were grounded. Ooh, we're gonna get in so much trouble. Yep. Not if we get home before Mom does. Like, that's likely. Whew, that was a close one. That's so nice. I just wish I brought my makeup kit. Then it could look nicer. You're turning orange. Ugh, get me out of the sun. No, why not? Ugh, girls, you are always fighting. Just shut up and enjoy. Emily, that's mean. Look at the cute little designer purse. Look at the designer